Hi, I'm Dave Dunbar at General Pipe Cleaners, and thanks for watching this video that has to do with the ClogChopper, which is revolutionizing drain cleaning. They come in many sizes, from inch all the way up to 4 inches, and they're the cutter that will do it all. The inch ClogChopper we recommend for 1 1/4 to 2 inch lines. The 1.5 inch ClogChopper is good for 1.5 to 3 inch lines. The 2 inch we recommend for 2 to 4 inch pipes. And the 2.5 we recommend for 3 to 4 inch lines. This, by the way, is our most popular version. The 3 inch is recommended for 4 to 6 inch lines. And the 4 inch we recommend for 6 to 10 inch lines. And they're very, very versatile. So the ClogChopper is made out of hardened steel. It's very robust, and it will last a long time. It has self-sharpening edges here, so if it's going in a cast iron pipe, it will actually self-sharpen. When it reaches the obstruction, it'll cut through whatever's there, be it a root or paper products. We even cut scale off the inside of a pipe. Its round design allows it to bounce around the pipe and get to wherever you need to go. So it's very versatile, very adaptable. So much so that we're finding some of our rental customers are actually Loctiting one of these on the end of their cable because it's the only thing that the customer is going to use. Plumbers and drain cleaning are finding the same thing. It's all they have to use in order to get to the obstruction and cut through it. It'll cut through roots, it'll cut through other obstructions, it'll get scale off the sides of pipe. Even if you're doing pipe relining, it'll cut through the backside of your mold or your epoxy. So it's very, very versatile. Again, it comes in from 1 inch up to 4 inches in size, and it's available with adapters for competitive types of cables. So the ClogChopper, revolutionizing drain cleaning, the only cutter that you need. So any other questions, feel free to give us a call at the Drain Brains, 412-771-6300 or 800-245-6200. Thanks a lot for watching this. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, and keep up the good work.
General Pipe Cleaners, toughest tools down the line.